Cases of COVID-19 are increasing in our local community, and we need to work together to reduce the spread of the virus. There are a number of things we can all do to protect ourselves, as well as our family, friends and our community. Washing your hands, wearing a mask and keeping a 2-metre distance are the best 3 things we can do to prevent catching and spreading coronavirus. We should remember 3 rules to keep Wales safe. Wash your hands regularly with soap and warm water for at least 20 seconds and use hand sanitizer when this is not possible. Always wear a face covering in indoor public spaces, such as shops or places of worship, or when keeping a distance from others is not possible. And the third point is to keep 2 metres apart from people outside of your household, i.e. those that you do not live with. So why is mixing indoors different to mixing outdoors? Well, COVID-19 can be transmitted through the air via tiny droplets. These are released when we talk, cough or breathe. This means that the chances of COVID-19 spreading from one person to another is much less likely in outdoor spaces which have better ventilation. The risk of passing COVID-19 to another person outside is far lower, especially if people stay 2 metres apart. How do you know if you have coronavirus? If you or any members of your household are feeling ill and are showing COVID-19 symptoms, you are all required to self-isolate, i.e. stay inside your home, and you should book a test as soon as possible. Tests can be delivered to your home if you cannot get to a test centre. The symptoms to be aware of are a new continuous cough, or a fever, which is a high temperature, or a loss of or change in sense of smell or taste. So what should you do if you or your family have COVID-19 symptoms? You must not go to hospital or go to your GP surgery if you have COVID-19 symptoms. This is really important. You can book a COVID-19 test online on the Welsh Government website, or you can call 119 between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. at night. In the meantime, everyone in your household should continue to isolate, i.e. they cannot leave the home, until the test result is known, even if the person feeling unwell appears to have recovered. If the test is negative, self-isolation can end for everyone in the household, as long as members of the household have no symptoms and they've not been identified as a contact of another confirmed case. If the test is positive, test, trace and protect will give you further advice. It's important to recognise trusted information sources, as there's lots of advice, guidance and information being shared at the moment. Please be aware of any misinformation. Double check everything you read and find the most up-to-date information provided by the Welsh Government, Public Health Wales or your local council. If we all work together and follow the guidance, we can help reduce the spread of the virus and help keep our communities safe.